Hi viewers, very warm welcome. Simon at DM Keith Motor Group. I'm at their Suzuki dealer at Ashton and Line. Just got the keys to this Kia Ceed 1.5T. It's the GDI ISG GT line 5-door. I wrote it down. I couldn't remember that lot. Smart thing. Looks $1 million, and inside it's fantastically spec'd. I must say, really lovely thing. This is one owner. It's done about 56,100 miles, and it's full service history is this vehicle. So this is located at OL6 Ashton-under-Lyne. So if you want it, I'll put a link in the description box. You'll be able to have a clatter through and have a look at the photographs. But very, very smart. I love the rear tail lights, the design. You know, whenever these come onto the forecourt, they attract a lot of attention, even from the sales guys. They're always clawing over them and having a look around them and that. Reverse camera, parking sensors, these really funky rear LEDs in the taillights. I do like them. Lovely alloy wheels. Now we are going to refurb 2 or 3 of the alloy wheels on this guy, so if you do come down in the next day or so, apologies, it's just that we're waiting for a specialist wheelman that we use to come and do a bit of tidying up. But yeah, it's just had brand new discs and pads fitted to the front of the car as well, but super thing. I like this low sort of sculpted front, very geometric, but yeah, smashing thing. New tyres on there as well, looking at it, and keyless access into the vehicle as you would expect on a car of this calibre. I've just left them on my person. Inside we've got lumbar support, electronically adjustable for both the driver and the passenger, along with absolutely masses of height adjustment. Nice GT line logo in the top there in the sort of leatherette, and in the rear there is a drop down armrest with a couple of beaker holders for the little lugs. Spinning it round. Oh, okay, so really decent size head unit in here. Navigation, obviously we have colour reversing camera, we've mentioned sensors, full Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bosch, away you go. Then climate control, lovely, left and right separate, dual zone. I like about 21 degrees normally. Hit that, press auto, it'll stay there all day for me. And then beneath that, heated steering wheel, hurrah, heated seats, USB and power connectivity there, and then 1 or 2 extra things just for camera view down the side and turning off sensors. It's start stop button inside, because obviously we've got keyless access, and you do have lane keeping functions, auto wipers, auto lights, the usual, and high and low beam assist as well. Yeah, 51,630 miles. Now obviously it will have some warranty left on it. I understand Kia, is it 5 years? You guys will know better than me, but irrespective, DM Keith always sell car with a year of warranty anyway on there, but I think this has probably got some manufacturer warranty left. I would think that's something that the link I put in the description box, if you clicked onto it, our sort of marketing and sales team, they could keep an eye on that, and they could come straight back to you, you know, with any questions like that. And it might be things like road fund license or insurance groups as well. We can of course move vehicles between our 4 Suzuki sites if it's to help you. You can simply put a £99 refundable deposit on the vehicle, takes it off sale, and then you can have a proper test drive when you come down. If you come in for a test drive, please on the day, guys, bring your driving licence with you, make a note of your national insurance number. It's horrible when we have to send somebody home, because we need to insure you while you're out, and we do need those 2 pieces of information to enable us to do so. But yeah, this is going to be a belter of a car. It's still got a little bit of tickling our valeting lads want to do with it, but before it rained I said, can I just get the camera around it quick? Somebody might be looking for one of these, and obviously if, in the next day or so it'll be primped and prodded and plumped and looking resplendent. Have a fantastic day, folks. As always, drive safe, take care, and all of the best.